All right, welcome to the Entrepreneurs AI Edge Academy. My name is Brandon Rigoli, and I'm the founder of AI for Small Business. As a business owner, I know you're super busy, so I wanted to thank you for trusting me not to waste your time today. A bit about me: I have a background in technology, education, and digital transformation, and I've been working with businesses for over a decade to help them increase revenue through business process automation. I came across a problem and I wanted to address it with this academy, and that's that there's a lot of content out there about AI today, but all of it is for technologically minded people. It's got a ton of noise and none of it's delivering any real value. They don't talk about how to actually use the tech to save time and money. So that's why I created this academy, to make AI practical and accessible for the small business owner. We're going to focus on real ways that entrepreneurs can actually use AI, and it's designed specifically for small business. I'm making a couple promises before we get started. I promise I'm going to make this easy. If you can click on a link and cut and paste, you can do this. Every module is going to take 15 minutes or less, and every lesson, you're going to learn one practical way that you can use AI today to make running your business easier. We're going to start with tools you can start using immediately to save time and make money every week. In the first module, you're going to walk away with the number one tool I think every small business owner needs today, and it's going to help you generate more leads and close more deals. So I'm excited to have you here today. And with that, let's stop talking and start learning how to make money with AI.